What's up guys, it's Ryan here, and today I'm going to be going out to some restaurants and doing some burps.
Really? Lovely.
Thanks.
While I'm eating, that's really lovely.
Still waiting for. No, we have to go on the other way. I still have my way.
We got some pretty good reactions. That's it for this video. See you in the next.
With